Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. It's an unboxing day, yay! First one of the month of March and we have Roccabox. There we go. And have I seen any spoilers for Roccabox this month? No, I don't think I have. So let's get into it. Let's open her up. Roccabox is £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging. So watch out in a couple of months because I do like to do update videos on my subscription boxes and all the products that I get in them and when I've used them. So here we go. Let's open it up. Bum, 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 bum. You're having a sneak peek. I have not opened this at all. Oh, what's that on the top? Okay, we have a £50 voucher to spend on Virgin Wines. So I shall hold that up. There's the code if you want to maybe pause this video and use that below. Yeah, there we go. Might use that, might not. We'll see. And here's the card we always get inside the box that tells us everything that's in there and the values. So I shall refer to that as we're going along. First things first, here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention, this box is actually their 3rd anniversary box. So they have been going for 3 years now, so well done Roccabox. Okay, first thing we have got is an Umberto Giannini, I can never say this, and it's a banana butter vegan leave-in conditioner. This is a full-size item because it is huge. It's 200 mils and obviously it's for your hair. Now I'm not one for leave-in conditioners as such with my hair. I have such fine flyaway hair that if I use too much conditioner it doesn't do what I want it to do. But I have a really good friend who is a hairdresser. Rachel, if you're watching this, I am talking about you. So I might just pass that on to her. We'll see. The RRP of this is £9, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. So that is item number 1. Item number 2. Oops, it has just fallen out its packaging. Okay, this is, I've already got this. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And it is a deluxe sample size. It's 7 mils, I do believe. Yes, 7 mils. And it's a Smooth and Blur foundation primer. Apparently the RRP of this is £6.63. There's the actual little tube that you can see. Again, like I say, I have used this before. I'm not sure where I got the sample from. It might have been Feel Unique. I do really like it. It does smooth out, it does blur, it does mattify. As I hope you know, I have oily skin and I do find when I'm wearing this, after a few hours, 4 or 5 hours, the grease, it does start to come through and break down my foundation on my forehead in particular, even with this on. But that is not a problem because it's a lovely travel size. I am going to keep it because I'm about halfway down my other one. So that's really nice. Next product in the box is, oh now this is different. Okay, it's in a glass bottle for a kick-off. Here we go, I'll get the label the right way for you. This is Bumble Zest Calm and Comfort Superfood Shot Drink and it's a bonus treat. It's worth £2.40. It's a little nutrient-packed boost, apparently. Let's see what it says on here. Calm and Comfort. A natural chamomile lavender spirulina drink with a lemon base infused with other botanical ingredients. Okay. It's got half a lemon, mint, cinnamon, Himalayan salt and a drop of maple. It's vegan friendly and it's only 15 calories and it's a 60ml bottle. So we have a little bonus treat of a little shot drink. Okay, shall I try it? Come on, let's try it. Let's open her up. Oh, smells nice. I can smell the lavender. Let's have a go. Oh, that's actually quite nice. That's quite tangy. Definitely get the lemon. You get the of the lemon straight away. But you know what? That's actually quite nice. I quite like that. Awesome. Thank you, Roccabox. That's really nice. Okay, next product in the box. We have, ooh, it's again a deluxe sample and it's the Murad make of skincare. This is a Retinol Youth Renewal Serum and this deluxe sample size, which is 5ml, only 5ml. This is worth £12.50. Wow. Okay. Now then, I haven't actually tried anything with retinol in yet. I've been a little bit hesitant because it does say, or a lot of people of reviews of retinol products and things that I've watched and read about, it says it can, it cannot be the best for sensitive skin. And obviously I do have hypersensitive skin. But do you know what? Yes, I might just, because that's a sample size, might just give that a go. Murad, like I say, are meant to be a very good make, but they are also quite pricey, as you can tell by the cost of this little sample. But that's quite nice. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna give it a quick pump on the back of my hand. Let's see. Ooh, crikey, that was a lot. Okay, a little bit of scent to it, and there's quite a lot came out there. Let's, God blimey, that one pump's gonna do your entire face, isn't it? Crikey, alright, look at that. There we go, that's gone all over my hand. Nice, fresh, clean scent to it, nothing overpowering. Let's give it a minute to dry down and we'll see how it feels in a minute. Okay, so, and then we have, this is a bit different. This is the Korean make OK, and it's a gently warming facial steam mask. That's a bit different. Okay, this is, the RRP of this is £6. It says apply it when you're in the bath or shower. Don't worry, it's specially formulated to stick to wet skin in steamy conditions. Shut your eyes for 20 minutes. Okay. Who do you know is in the shower for 20 minutes, don't they? It draws all the dirt and toxins from your skin, opens your pores, so they're more receptive to the rest of your skincare routine. That's what it says. Okay, so that's another one to go in my sheet mask box that I've got going on. I like that. It's a bit different. Steam mask, and you can use it in the bath or a shower, so that's really good. And if you are somebody who likes your baths and lounging around with the candles and lights down and all that malarkey, then that would be amazing. Absolutely. And the last item in the box is the hero product this month. Oh, and it's by Huda Beauty. Yay! I have not got any Huda Beauty items, and it's a matte lip pencil, contour lip pencil. It looks like you're getting either the Trend Setter or the shade Wifey. I would say yes, I've got Wifey. Okay. And this looks quite a pale pinky colour. Let me get it out. I think I'd have preferred Trend Setter. Oh, actually, I don't know. More of a browny nudie colour. There we go, lovely packaging, I like that. There we go. And that's the colour of that. Let's swatch it, let's have a look. Okay, I've just swatched it very lightly, just on my thumb. So it's a nudie brown, it's got a slight pale pinky hue to it. I might give that a go and see what it looks like on me. It might be a bit pale for my liking, but we shall try it out and we shall see. That is the idea of these subscription boxes, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Trying new products and seeing how you get on with them. So in this month's box, oh, and by the way, this is worth £18.61. Crikey O'Reilly. Okay, so we've got £18 for this. We've got £12.50 for that, so that's just over £31 so far. The Umberto Giannini hair butter leave-in conditioner, that's £9, so we've got £40 worth. We have the facial steam mask at £6, so that's £46. If I can hold everything up, there we go, £46. We have the Smashbox primer at £6, just over £6, so that's £52. And then we have the little drink at £2.40. So we've got about £55 worth of products in this month's box for £14. That's not bad, is it? That's a pretty good box. I do quite like it because you've got a little bit of everything. You've got a little bit of perking you up from the inside. You've got, you know, looking after your hair, looking after your face with those two items, and obviously a couple of makeup items. So I do like the box. I think it's a good value box. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think. Sound off in the comments down below. What do you think to this month's box? Is it a better box, or do you think it's a bit meh compared to last month? All your thoughts and feelings, please pop them down below in the comments section. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you'll decide to stick around. If so, I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks. This is in an upcoming video, this look here, so keep your eye out for that. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you've got your notifications on. I do drop videos about 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes I add in an extra one, so you don't want to miss anything. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.